Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today is going to be a trying new makeup video. I have acquired quite a few new products with the Sephora sale that just ended last week, and there were a couple other little products that I wanted to try that I picked up as well. So we're going to start the video off with a little haul, and then we'll go right into trying new makeup. So first we'll start with Ulta. First thing I got from Ulta is the new Lancome Foundation. It's the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. So this is the packaging, and this is what the actual bottle looks like. The new Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Care and Glow Foundation. It does have SPF of 27 in it, and I picked up the color 450W. Next thing I got is this NYX Vivid Wear liquid liner. Y'all, this is nothing new to me. This is a repurchase. This is probably about the second or third time that I've repurchased this liner. I used to always just get the regular NYX Epic Wear, but as soon as they came out with the Vivid Matte one that's like almost just the same except it's more ultra matte, then I started using that one. The Vivid Wear has like a matte packaging and the Epic Wear has like the shiny packaging, but they're both really good. The only difference is, let's swatch it so you can see the difference. So this one's the Epic Wear. That's the Epic Wear, and this one's the Vivid Matte. The Vivid Matte is there, so let me see if I can see the difference. So the Vivid Matte dries to almost an instant matte finish, and the Epic Wear still kind of has a little bit of a sheen to it. So that's the difference, but they're both just as black. So that was just like a repurchase, just re-upping on something I was out of. And then you guys, new to me, okay, this is the Juvia's Place palette. You guys know I don't really buy eyeshadow palettes. It's very rare. The last one I bought was that Nars palette, the Orgasm Rising palette, which just really stood out to me to the point I said I have to have that eyeshadow palette because it just takes me so long to go through eyeshadow palettes, you guys, literally years. And I'm not really, I'm into makeup. Obviously I do tons of makeup reviews, but I'm not a super makeup junkie, if that makes any sense. So if I don't need it or justify it in my brain like I need it, I don't get it. Like I don't feel like I need 6 matte eyeshadow palettes or, you know, 5 shimmer palettes with all the same color golds, you know what I mean? Anyway, this one stood out to me at Ulta. This is the Coffee Shop from Juvia's Place, you guys. I walked past it and I was like, you know, because I'm not really super into eyeshadow palettes like I said, but y'all, I had to keep going past it. Eventually I said, let me swatch it. Sold, okay? So let's open this up and see this beauty. Beautiful. I feel like with this lighting it can't do it justice, you guys, but it has the most gorgeous glittery shimmers in here. This one is a beautiful glitter. This one, let's see if we could swatch this one here. See how it's just a beautiful almost dual chrome. So gorgeous, and the rest of the colors are just as pretty, y'all. It's so, the pigments is very creamy, it's super pigmented. These are the type of shadows you don't even need a base with. That's how good they are. No fallout. And then it has these beautiful wearable brown shades for the crease. This palette honestly has every color you need. If you want to create a matte look that you just need your everyday matte colors to go with everything, you have it in this palette. If you want a nighttime look or just something with a little bit more razzle dazzle, you have these beautiful almost glittery shimmers that are beautiful, and then you have the darker ones that you can create a smoky look or like a semi smoky eye just on the outer corner. Y'all, this is so beautiful, so we'll definitely be trying this out today. And then we discussed during the live stream about how Nars has the new bronzers out, you guys, and so I picked up number Laguna 6, which is one of their new shades. So they added, I want to say, like 3 shades to the shade range of these bronzers. So let's open this up. This one's the mini. So they have a full size and a mini. I picked up the mini, and this one is a Laguna 6. So we'll be trying this out. And also from Ulta, you guys, I got the My Way from Giorgio Armani perfumes, you guys. Now this was on my wish list. This was on my wish list for my designer fragrance wish list that I did like a month or 2 ago. You can click on that link if you want to check that out. But you guys, that's why I say check my community tab. This is like $100 fragrance that went on sale for $39. So I did post it on the community tab with the discount code for you guys to use. And some of you guys purchased it, and others of you said, you know, that you missed out. By the time you clicked on it, it was already sold out. But I accidentally bought 2. I don't know how I clicked on it twice. I think I felt like the first order didn't go through and I didn't get a notification. So I clicked on it again and ended up getting 2, but for $39 I basically got 2 for less than 1. So I'm not mad at it at all. I'll probably end up putting this in a giveaway for one of you guys. It's just a beautiful floral, very feminine, pretty scent. And this is the bottle here. Very cute. And then the lady at Ulta was nice enough to throw in the newest e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is a small size. This is the one that has the 4% niacinamide in it. So I do want to kind of test this one out and see if it's different than the regular e.l.f. Power Grip that I've been using. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried this yet, because I hadn't seen any reviews on it. I've seen it on thumbnails, and so I know it's been buzz about it, but I hadn't actually seen a review of what people think about this. So comment down below if you've tried this before and what do you think about it. Next was an Amazon order, you guys, and I picked up this Revlon High Shine Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. Beautiful. So in, I think, my February favorites, I want to say, I talked about this orange one. This one is called Power Up. It's the same Revlon High Shine Vinyl Lip Polish and Power Up, you guys. So pigmented, so shiny, so creamy, and goes on. You would think that you have on a bold lipstick with the gloss on top. That's how pigmented. The quality is amazing, and they're super cheap. So I did order another one because I think they're discontinued now. So I had to order it from Amazon. I had been stalking, you know, them on Amazon, adding it to the cart, and they went on sale for $5. So I picked up the pink one. So I'm excited to try the pink one out as well. So now I have both of the colors I wanted, but they come in like 10 shades, I want to say. Moving on to Sephora. So I did pick up a couple items from Sephora literally right before the sale ended, you guys. Like, I want to say like that night before the sale ended, I went back like right before they closed and picked up some other things that I had been stalking. Well, not really stalking, but it was, I picked up some other things that I had been looking at on the site that day that was brand new. So Haus Labs, their lip crayon, they extended the shade range. So they added, I want to say, like 4 new shades to their lip crayons, and this is what they look like. I picked up the color Mahogany Matte, which is the darkest shade that they make. Brand new shade. This is what it looks like. So you can use it as a liner or actual lipstick. They are super creamy, and that's what it looks like. So it's like a reddish brown. And then I picked up a Sephora shadow. This is the Sephora shadow in the color Choco Express. So there was a bunch of shimmers that I was looking at, and look at this. So beautiful. It reminds me of one of the shimmers actually that was in, let's watch it, that was in the Juvia's Place palette. Let's see if it's similar. So it's just a little different. This one has more of a chocolatey undertone rather than the Juvia's Place has more of a pewter undertone. So similar but different. Super shiny. In the light it gives glittery, like in natural light it looks more glittery, but that's really pretty. So that's Sephora's eyeshadow in Choco Express. And looking down at my hand, that Choco Expression, it almost gives you that wet look. So if you wanted a shadow that has like a little shimmer to it that gives you almost like that glossy-eyed wet look, this is it. And then I had a purchase from Refy. You guys, this is the first thing that I've ever bought from Refy. I had been seeing this all over the internet, and I'm like, you know what? I want to try the Refy primer. Have y'all seen that primer that people have been rolling on their face that looks like a roll-on deodorant? So I wanted to get it during the Sephora sale, but they were sold out in every store and sold out online, and I had been stalking it since before the sale, and this is such a viral product that I'm like, you know what, it's just not gonna come back in stock. So the sale came and went, it still never came back in stock. So I said, you know what, let me just go on the actual Refy website and order it. So this is the actual package. So this is the face primer, Glow and Sculpt, and this is what it looks like. So it does have this sort of muted gray packaging that just looks very chic, you know, just all the aesthetics. So you just pull the top right off, and then it has just sort of this roller, and then you just roll. You're supposed to squeeze a little primer to the top, and then you just roll the primer on there. So that's what I got. So let's just go right into trying out some of these products.
Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. Cause too fresh with the scars. But I don't have the answers.